Say hey, please come back to my channel. I'm shopping. Christmas shopping for everybody. This Box 21 is closing though, so I came here to see if they have. They don't have anything, so I'm about to leave. Yeah, it's not in here. I'm about to leave. Alright guys, so I just got back home and like here is literally all the stuff, all the presents. I have to go shopping some more and get, I think, maybe 4 or 3 more things, but then I'm done. So guys, what I'm gonna do is wrap all them gifts. I don't know if you guys are gonna want to see this video, but I'm just gonna do this video anyways because it's a little bit Christmas theme or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys me wrapping my gifts. Alright guys, I'm using my phone for this video because I don't feel like setting up my camera. I am not gonna hold you guys, but anyways, okay, right now my mom's having a Christmas party, so I want to hurry up with this so I can like film a different video, or this could all be in the same video. All right guys, like I was saying, I had brought this and then I went to the discount store around my house and I brought all this freaking bags, and I literally forgot that I brought these bags, even though these are much smaller. Still, like, I think I brought some of these size too. Yeah, I got wrapping paper as well, so I'm just show you guys what I brought, like my familiar. This is not literally none of the stuff. I'll only show you guys 2 things. I brought a lot more stuff, but yeah, that's basically why I went shopping today. I brought my dad some stuff and I brought my aunt something, and when I get paid, I thought I got paid today, but I didn't because I really would have got everything today and would have been done for it. But no, one more time, just one more time to go shopping. I go shopping for 2 pairs of Uggs, 2 different ones, so 2 different people. And I got by my uncle a belt. I want to get him a Ferragamo belt because he likes designer stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna get started wrapping, and when y'all see me, I'm gonna be getting ready for the little Christmas dinner party, whatever. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready now. So yeah, so a lot of my friends came over before this clip, so like as soon as I left, like a lot of my friends came over, like from around my way and stuff. So yeah, I forgot to record because I was looking bad and like they didn't dress up and they was like, no, I don't want to be on film, I gotta look cute, da, da, da. So I was like, okay, whatever. Kevin said he'll be here in an hour, which everybody comes and then they're gonna be like, where's everybody? Everybody, where you at? My friend Anna said she's on her way. She said that like 2 hours ago or an hour ago. You guys are wondering where this hair is from? It's from Icyhair. It's 34 inches, custom made wig. Y'all don't know. The wig doesn't come 34 inches. You just buy the bundles, and they have a free wig service. It's just like a $20 fee. Even though I said free, you guys know what I mean. Like, a wig could be way more than $20 to me. I wrapped all my gifts, by the way. You guys can see that one bag that I just put down. I still need another box because my dad's sweater is mad big for that small box I was trying to put it in. I'm probably gonna try to make it fit today. I just was too lazy yesterday. I'm gonna see if I can try to make it fit because all his other ones fit, I think. Or was they medium? I think there was medium boxes. Oh yeah, I do use this coconut oil, nourishing coconut oil in my hair, so it won't be dry and like feel like crunchy and stuff. I don't want to wear my hair like this. Ew, I just popped the pimple. Nah, actually, more to you, bro.
What?
I was about to eat, but I have to take my pictures first.
I'm about to eat too.
Okay, you can eat while I do this.
No.
Do what? I mean, what? No, what? I had a Popeye chicken yesterday. That shit was hitting. Michaela's here. Kasubi's on. I feel no way because ever. If you do me wrong, I'm gonna move on to the better. Period. I don't know why it's so hard to open this all the time. This is why I don't be using it. Like, oh my gosh. God. It's really a litty night. This gold mountain. Okay. Ooh, ooh, baby. Ooh, ooh, baby. Yeah, we trying to glow, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Well, I think I'll make it pretty quick. Like, that's on period. Let me flatten this like this. Look at my pictures. What y'all think? Should I have my bang or should I have it like this? If I put the mousse on it, there's no going back. What you guys think? Should I have it like this?
Oh my gosh, yes. Said, ooh, macaroni cheese. There's a lot. Yes, sir.
I gotta wash my hands. Alright guys, so here's my outfit. It's a finishing look or whatever. I was gonna wear like my human races. I'm gonna see how they look first because I want to dress it down, not really dress it up. I don't want to wear heels. But I know y'all see how this dress is fitting me. And if you guys want this dress, you know where it's from my collection with MTO Apparel. I have a link down below with my collection as well. And you want to know where my chain is from because y'all love knowing where my chains are from. Y'all see it glitzing or whatever. Also for my collection, I'm going to keep my babies looking like icy, looking like money, alright? Period. So, yes, I'm going to be taking some pictures and everything. But here's a finishing little look. This is just a quick video because I don't know. I like wrapped all my gifts. Here's one of them. It's from my aunt. Look how cute and festive and like perfect it is. Like, yeah, it just says to Auntie from Icy with the little cute bow. Alright guys, so it's in what the freak? Oh, that's food. But alright guys, today's the next day. Last time y'all told me I was getting ready for the Christmas dinner, whatever it was. Sorry I didn't get to film. It was just so much going on, and I was just enjoying myself, my family. I didn't see my brother in a long time, so it was like nice to see him. I should have recorded him, but I didn't. So yeah, but Kevin was there. My friends was from school was here. Michaela was here. My best friend came for a while, and one of my friends that lived by my house came, so it was nice. But now I'm getting ready because I go more Christmas shopping. It's my last time going Christmas shopping. I have to go to the UGG store for my grandma and someone else. I have to go to Ferragamo for my uncle because I want to get him a belt. Yes, I know, I'm doing a bag. I have all my gifts for my dad. He literally stole one of his gifts, and I'm so sad because I didn't put it in the bag, but ain't nobody told him to look. So yeah, I just gotta get. I got all my aunt's gifts, all my dad's gift. I got all my mom's gifts. I gotta get my grandma something. I already gave Kevin his gift a long time ago, so if y'all wondering, he been got it. What was I about to say? Oh, I had to get what's his name? My grandma and my uncle. So yeah, I go to the UGG store, and the UGG store I'm going to is by my school, so I know how to get there. And I'm gonna go there first. Yeah, I'm gonna just buy some ornaments as well. Y'all gonna see me buy some ornaments. So woohoo! I'll be having mad bags, but yeah, then my aunt is gonna pick me up tonight to take me to my grandma's house. So that's just how that's gonna go. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done getting ready because baby, I'm not. Oh, see, that's just how real it is. I ain't walking outside like that. I just hurt my nail. I gotta go. Alright guys, I'm shopping right now. I went to now I'm about to go prepare Grwm, and I'm done. Wait, no, I'm not. I gotta get ornaments. I almost forgot. I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. Oh, I still have some makeup.
So what about makeup?
My stains.
No. Where's the
See my
floor?
stains.
Where's the
Oh,
floor?
I'm sorry. Huh?
Where's the floor?
I posted black guy. I didn't because you got me mad.
You're gonna be mad. Well, I can't get what I want to get you.
Alright guys, so I'm in Target, right? And I'm trying to look for ornaments. And Marshalls, I went to Marshalls too. And no store has ornaments. They said they're out of ornaments. Like, what? I know I'm late, but like, that's crazy. That's so ghetto. Alright guys, now we have Shake Shack. We did a little shopping. I'm done shopping now. I got my uncle his belt. I got my grandma some gloves, and I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna give her some money because I should have got a card because I went to Target and everything. I'm so retarded. I'm gonna try to see if there's card places over here. I should have got a car. Like, I had so many places I could have got cars from. But yeah, we got Shake Shack. Yeah, we got food. We only got 705. It's 722 and it's still not here. But if y'all want to buy this chain for my collection, super cute. Go check it out. I got on Bay hat right now. Don't mind me. And I got everything I needed. So I'm all set. The food is here.
I'm gonna do it my food.
I know. I'm gonna call that food, Papa. Raised by me, period. He messed them up, but they cute.
I do it.
I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for my videos. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye, pretties.